Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Linkinfo library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before we start the Linkinfo library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Linkinfo library, the Windows shortcut link information library. It manages the unmanaged parsing of shell link, JUDIT, LNK files, resolving target paths and icon resource manifests to facilitate shell data links. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. If Linkinfo library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Linkinfo library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. If you're attempting to install Linkinfo library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If you're addressing Linkinfo library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Linkinfo library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.